Uh, Hello everybody, and I've actually found quite a stacked server. I've found a server with Ambivalence and Quesadilla. Then we have Durable, of course. Yeah. Let's just Ambivalence, bro. 2,000 wins. I gotta friend you, bro. You guys know how I roll. Hard. Okay, so it looks like these two are in hard right now. This dude looks so 2016. No wonder he plays this game. This dude looks like, what is that guy? He looks like Sketch, bro. I don't know if that's just me, but this dude looks like Sketch. All right, so he's getting the buttons tapped. Yeah, this is pretty easy. He knows the shortcut as well. Yeah, easy. Do they know the laugh clip or sword clip? Nope, they're not going for it. Nope. Coil clip. Oh, coil plus trophy. Okay. Okay, that's possible, but it's kind of hard. Yeah, but I mean, hey man, have it your way. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go into hard. Tightrope training. The reason why I do these maps and not the actually easiest maps are because the reason why I do these maps and not the actual easiest is because of just a simple thing where it's like, oh my gosh, I forgot. Wait, my auto clicker is set to 10 seconds, bro. Okay. I don't know why that is, but I mean, hey man. Okay, looks like we're on our own now. Obviously, we're gonna probably use dash right about now, so. Oh shoot, I didn't make it. There we go. Actually, we don't need to have our auto clicker on. Let's go on ahead and just use coil. There's two people grinding in the server. Oh, I messed it up. Let's go ahead and just wait a little bit. We're trying to get to 500 subs, so if you guys could help out with that, then thank you. We might do some speed glitch things up in here. Who knows? Reset. Hi. You know, like Arena has 180 wins. Looks like there's kind of a lot of stacked people in the server. And by stacked, I mean stacked comparatively. Like, compared to me, a lot of these people are mid. But I mean, for 2K wins, that still takes a while, especially in the way that they're doing it. It probably took the same amount of time as my wins. Just on the way that they're doing it, because I feel like I could be 3 times more efficient. Is that how you say it? Okay, imagine we just escape before they even get to rundown sector. That'd be so crazy. Okay, so it looks like we have auto click on. I haven't done a laugh clip yet. Slashy laugh. There we go. And now we're just gonna wait for them to get into the code room. And then we're gonna escape. Reset. Yeah, that's how it is. Looks like I'm gonna go ahead and do toss, start, maintenance, and unorganized chaos. So yeah, that's what we're just gonna do. Why is there two J's? That's my question. Obviously, that's the easiest way to do it. You know what? Floodstorm. I'm not waiting on all these people. Bro, damn it. I'm actually so trash. What the hell? Okay. At least I'm gonna make it, okay? There. There we go. Let's spectate this person. Okay. 3 texts at one time. Have you ever seen that before? I bet you haven't. That's Jay. But where'd the other Jay go? They left. I'm gonna follow this dude. I'm gonna just pick the easy maps, not to embarrass him, for real. These two are probably like best friends, because they probably play Floodscape together. That's probably how they got all those wins. For real. Oh, they didn't leave, surprisingly. Oh no, I shouldn't have to wait too long. Oh shoot, they actually know that shortcut. They're probably pretty good. Oh, they actually don't reset, so they don't know all the tricks. Looks like these people are grinding hard. You know what, let's do the hardest maps. That's probably not good for me, but it's gonna be funny to see if they know all the good shortcuts. Oh fuck, okay. Bro, that dude literally is getting in my... I'm actually getting mad. Okay, I'm actually getting mad. That dude was literally in my way. He was obstructing my camera view. Interference, bro. I call it interference. Did Flo die? Oh shoot. He glitched through with the coil, which is impossible. This dude's hacking. I'm like pretty sure of it. Quesadilla. Hacker caught on public servers trying to not get caught. Like, I mean, this is possible, but it's very... I'm just saying, it shouldn't be that easy. It does look like this dude is laggy, though, because either that's me or that's him. But it does look like this dude's laggy. Okay, he knows the shortcuts. Good. Okay, looks like he knows all the shortcuts to this one as well. So I wonder how this dude has such little wins and knows all the shortcuts. To be fair, at 700, I probably knew all the shortcuts I knew now. So that's probably how. But I mean, like, the game was like, oh, he even knows that one. Surprising. He knows his dash shortcuts pretty well. And he just clipped straight through that, no debate. And he knows this, you know, this is Quesadilla, right? Yeah, but that dude's low-key good. Hold up. I did not mean to do that. Let's do the easy maps now, because I've realized that they're actually pretty good. So let's see if they know the easy maps if you do the correct shortcuts. So for this is going to be pretty easy for me. I'm just not going to use this coil. Technically, I used a coil for 0.1 seconds. Yeah, so obviously it looks like Ambivalence is a little bit better. Are they gonna do they use the dash one, which is easier, but it would have been. You know what, bro? Screw this. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna destroy my keyboard. Alright, well, we're just doing a couple more games real quick. Obviously, it's been about 11 minutes, and we've only gotten like 5 wins, as opposed to, so yeah, this is about 2 times slower. Oh shoot. Bro, this low key. Alright, I need to pull off the lab clip next time. They probably gonna think I'm hacking, but nah. Dang it, bro. Alright, well, let's actually try to laugh clip now. What the heck? How do I fuck up laugh clip twice in a row? I'm actually gonna get mad. Bro, get your fat ass head out the way. Nah. Okay, that's a little bit devious, but I mean, like, it is what it is. You feel me? I did not. I hate when that happens, bro. Alright, my auto clicker's off, bro. Damn. Why did that? Yeah, you know what? I probably don't have that much time. Why can I not access freaking chat with Slash, bro? How did I get on Dvorak? I keep on messing up the laugh clip, bro. It's because I was on Dvorak, to be fair. I didn't even realize I was on Dvorak until like now. So yeah, that's kind of bad for me. Hey man, it is what it is. At least I'm gonna get it this time, bro. I swear, I do not mess up laugh clip that much. Alright, well, they're finna be coming soon, so. Alright, let's go. He probably gonna leave me. He probably gonna go in medium, bro. Nah, you really didn't go with your girlfriend like that, bro. That's crazy. Can never be me. How? Bro, there's only 5 people in this server. Alright guys, this is gonna be the last game of the video. I'm gonna have to search this girl up. SVDDVYSS. SVDDVYSS. Alright, I searched it up right. I'm gonna see if they're on the leaderboard after this game. Oh shoot, they know the they know the trick too. Okay, that means it's all safe going, bro. Oh shoot, that dude didn't pull it off. I hate when that happens, bro. And you use dash can never be me. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go get the button. Because that dude wasn't going to get it. I know that for a fact. No! I hate when that fucking happens. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Well, now we have to do one more game to get to 6190. So you know what? Just kill me, right? How is there 2 out of 3 players left? That makes no sense. Oh, it's because I didn't die to the flood. It's a glitch. I already chose. And I'm going to choose it again because these guys seem to be good at it. So, yeah. Wonder how long they grind for. Like, because they were here before I was here. So they've been grinding for at least 20 minutes. Also, just comparatively, literally in 20 minutes, we're getting these. Alright, let's go ahead and wait. Because I'm finna laugh good, bro. guys know me, I'm the GOAT. Not the GOAT, but I mean, like, you get the point. Of laugh clipping. I could really just trap them in there. Just for fun. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So obviously now I'm going to look them up and see if they're actually on the leaderboard. So let's see their ID real quick. Nope, this one. 32492. So let's go ahead and see. Three, 2, 4, 9, 2. Oh, they're actually 5th on the leaderboard. They're actually 5th on the leaderboard. Hold up, let me see what this dude has on his thing. Hold up. Nice backpack. Okay. And the return kindness every time you get kindness. Okay, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.